That's where they shaved him to do the IV at the vet. But he's doing a lot better. He's back to being himself. Hey, you don't want to eat that grass, though. Moose, come on. Come on up here. There's Raven. What are you doing, Raven? Thanks for the love, everybody. Hey, where are you going? I see flying emojis. Thank you. What do you think, Raven? I just brushed Raven a lot. I posted a video of her getting groomed. This box up here is full of dog hair right now. Check it out. That's what came off a Raven. You're looking a lot cleaner now. She was shedding big time. Callie, thank you. I hope so too. Right, Moose? What are you doing, buddy? So Moose went to the vet last week. He had a gastroenteritis, which was an upset tummy for a while. He got shaved on the belly for an ultrasound to make sure that nothing was really serious because he was kind of sick for a couple days. That's why he's got this front leg shaved also, because they had to give him an IV. But he's back to normal. All right, Gojo. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, we were scared. Thanks for the love. Yeah, he had me really scared because that one day he was feeling pretty sick. There he goes. He's doing a lot better now, though. What do you think, Raven? Thank you. What do you think, Moose? Yeah, you're a good boy. Thanks for the love. You say hi to everybody? Say hi. I just posted a video a minute ago of Raven getting the brush. We did a lot of grooming today, Raven. She was shedding big time. Oh, there's fur everywhere. There we go. You guys gonna do zoomies? Good puppies. They are a year and a half old. No jumping, Moose. No, guys. No jumping. They're still puppies. Hey, don't tackle your sister. Hey, happy Memorial Day. Thanks for stopping by. Cool. What type of dogs do you have? What do you think, Raven? Mixes? Cool. These guys are Alaskan Malamutes. Raven, I don't know if Moose likes that.